Just got in my solar-powered outdoor PTZ Wi-Fi security camera. I'm going to get it opened up and put up here or there or somewhere so we can monitor our surroundings. Well, we have our little paper that shows us where to drill the holes and the mounting positions and all that. We'll get to that in a moment. The product manual tells us all about it, the charging and everything. There we have our camera itself. Our solar panel. It's a heavy solar panel. That ought to be a good one. Looks like it has 2 small solar panels on it. It's pretty heavy. This is feels very solid. Looks like we're going to have all our wiring and mounting hardware, our USB to USB-C cord, our brackets to get it mounted up. Let's get this thing hooked up and set up, and then we'll download the app. Looks like I missed something here. We got the mounting plate for the camera itself. It's over here on the side. I didn't even see it. Okay, we have our camera mounted. And while the solar panel is charging, because you have to leave it charging, now I put the mount for the solar panel right up there. Once the solar panel is fully charged, per the instructions, then we will get it hooked up and get the app installed. One quick note that I forgot to mention, you may not need this mounting bracket for this type of installation, because as you can see, we're not going to be able to use the solar panel onto this bracket because this will hold the solar panel and the camera. So for my installation, I just needed the one mounting plate for there and then the single mounting plate for the solar panel. Okay, we're going to get our solar panel put up there because it should be good and charged now. Y'all hold on, here we go. Get the screws in here, get those good and snug, just plugged in. There's a little notch right there and a little notch right there. Make sure you get those lined up. Push it together and tighten this little.
Welcome. XIAOVV smart camera is starting. Please wait.
Ooh, it's talking to us.
Please scan the QR code on the camera and wait for the connection.
All right, we got the solar panel hooked up, and now we're going to do the reset on the device.
Reset completed. Camera is restarting. Welcome. XIAOVV smart camera is starting. Please wait. Please scan the QR code on the camera and wait for the connection.
Scan our QR code. View device. And according to that, device is offline. And we will hit open. Allow. I have read in the agreement or the declaration of terms. Copy the verification code. We'll paste it in there and hit next. Guess we'll make up a password. We'll add our device. Now we'll scan the QR code. There we go. We got it connected. Let's see if we can. Oh, we can rotate it. Well, there we have it. It is hooked up and ready to rock and roll.